MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka Office of Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy mentara seniula penong daga jingi kendu lang ki principal bal headmaster jongki secondary bal higher secondary school Karibhoy na kabenta ban pensyaya way na ki Kynja app ban Pyndonkam ki kena school nadu class 9 hadu class 12 kam tam na kabenta ki tu ki samla wat kam sarkar la kadai ki kam sarkar ha jalan ni ha ka sarkar kmi ya kene ki jingi lang la pelong ada district library auditorium hall ha ka bala shimenta lang nadu Deputy Commissioner Abilash Baranwal OSDU kaputar kema civil subdivision usi awasi lembat kuai ki officer na ka district man penpau lang bau new app ki Samla Pule ki buat kam wat jam sarkar kin yo ya ka Jinghikai ka babania halor ki examination baper kham tam bakin pen khre eladi leng ba ki Jinghikai ba kerpang ban sa Jinghikai ka bakim dan kam ban sieu leng ba jong new app.
So the district administration Ribhoi has launched a comprehensive program to tackle not just the learning gaps but also complement the teachers of secondary and higher secondary schools in helping the child realize its true potential. Phase 1 of this Sampoorn Shiksha Kavach, as we are calling it, in partnership with Team Philo app, we are targeting students from class 9 to 12, wherein 5,000 students will benefit with absolutely free resources, one-to-one live teaching, doubt clearances, educational materials, classes, notes, you name it, and that's why it's called the Sampoorn Shiksha Kavach. Everything is there on that one platform, along with teachers getting access to it for them to be able to track individually the progress of every student. So I think that's a great advantage, which, and as you must have also seen today, all the teachers were overwhelmingly enthusiastic about this project and they're wanting to extract the most out of it. So I think it's a very successful launch.
Today we had a meeting with all the headmasters and principals of secondary schools and higher secondary schools of Ribhoi. The reason was because we wanted to demonstrate the app that we are launching in collaboration with Philo EdTech company. This app is going to have two features which will be relevant for Ribhoi. One will be basically for the students of class 9 to 12, where they can access help from any teacher on the app 24/7. And simultaneously the other feature will be regarding the youths who are preparing for government examination. So today was a demonstration by the people from Philo EdTech for the principals and headmasters. I'm sure that they were very impressed with what they saw. And the idea is that we want all of the children to be onboarded onto this app. This will be completely free of cost for them. And to take advantage of this, they can access AI to answer their queries. They can use the recorded lessons which are already present over there for every chapter, for every topic. They can also access doubt resolution within 30 to 40 seconds by any teacher which are already onboarded on their platform. And simultaneously, there will be personalized feedback that how a child is doing in which all topics. This feedback will be provided. Simultaneously, there will be a dashboard for us from district administration to see that how is each child performing. The same dashboard will be there for the principals and the headmasters to also to check that which students are lagging behind, so that extra effort can be put to them. So we cannot call it an official launch today. It was demonstrated today. They are still in process of hiring 2-3 local persons who can visit these schools. Simultaneously, we have also asked the schools to provide the information regarding the students from class 9 to 12. Hopefully, this will all be completed in 1 week's time. Immediately after that, all these students on their phone numbers will start getting the link to register on the app, and that can be considered as an official launch. It will be completely free of cost for all these students from class 9 to 12. The entire expenditure is going to be borne by district administration, and this is under aspirational district program. For all those youths who are preparing for government examination, initially we were of the opinion, because of the paucity of funds, that we'll have to charge them around rupees 100 per month. However, we have discussed with the company, we have discussed with Niti Aayog, and we have secured some additional funding so as to ensure that nobody will have to pay anything. It will be completely free of cost to those also who want to use the app for government examinations coaching.
MeghalayaPost.news.